You searched how to buy shares of Syzygy AG. It is a German digital services and marketing group listed on Xetra under the ticker Syzygy.de. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker Syzygy.de to find the Syzygy AG listing. Select the result that shows Syzygy AG on Xetra to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company overview and the price chart to confirm it is Syzygy AG. Make sure the exchange is Xetra and the ticker reads Syzygy.de before proceeding. Tap Investor Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same example.